Hello and welcome to my channel Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to make you guideline for your YouTube channel. Guidelines are rules or expectations that you set for your channel, your content and your community. They help you to create positive and respectful environment for yourself and your viewers. Let's get started. First, you need to go to your channel dashboard and click on the setting icon on the top right corner. Then click on the community tab and scroll down the guidelines section. Here you can write your own guidelines for your channel. You can also use template provided by YouTube or copy and paste from other channels that you like. Some of the things that you can include your guidelines are your channel's purpose, vision and values. What is your channel about? What are the goals and passions? What do you stand for and what do you not tolerate? Your content style, tone and quality. How do you make your videos? What kind of topics do you cover? How do you communicate with your viewers? What kind of feedback do you appreciate and what do you ignore? Your community's behavior, etiquette and participations. How do you want your viewers to interact with you or each other? What kind of comments do you welcome and what do you delete? How do you reward your loyal and supportive fans? And how do you deal with trolls and haters? You can also add some examples and scenarios to illustrate your guideline and make them more clear and specific. For example, you can say something like, I make videos about travel, culture and lifestyle. I love to share my experiences and opinions with you, and I hope you enjoy them too. I respect everyone's views and preferences, but I do not tolerate any hate speech, racism, sexism or bullying on my channel. Anyone who violates this rule will be blocked and reported. I try to upload a new video every week, usually on Fridays. I spend a lot of time and efforts to make my videos as informative, entertaining and high quality as possible. I appreciate your constructive criticism and suggestions, but I do not respond to rude and irrelevant comments. If you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends. I love to interact with my viewers and I read all comments. I also host live stream, Q&A sessions and giveaway on my channel. I encourage you to join those events and fun with me and the communities. However, please be respectful and polite to everyone and follow the chat rule. Do not spam, self-promote or ask for personal information. Those are some of the guidelines that I have for my channel. I hope you understand and respect them. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.